Hello students, I am Neil and I am from Feb. Now I am going to give you a sentence, watch it very carefully. My wife beats me. So tell me, what is the subject in the sentence? Yes, the subject is my wife. And who is performing the action? The subject is performing the action. So, in a sentence where the subject performs the action, that sentence is in active form, or we can say that sentence is in active voice. Now I am making slight changes in the sentence. The sentence is I am beaten by my wife. So, what is the subject in this sentence? Yes, I is the subject in the sentence. Here, the subject is receiving the action. So, in a sentence where the subjects receive the action, the sentence is in the passive voice. So, what are the changes that took place in the second sentence? First one is the subject became the object. So, in a passive voice, what happens? The subject becomes the object and the object becomes the subject. And we place a word by before the object. I am beaten by my wife. So here we have placed by before my wife. The third change is we have placed a helping verb. And the fourth one is we have used the third form of verb. So you have to keep certain things in your mind before converting an active voice into passive voice. First one is your subject becomes the object and the object becomes the subject. Second thing, you have to use a word by before the object. The third one is you have to place a helping verb, and the fourth one is you will be always using the third form of verb. I am going to give you different kinds of sentences, like you have studied tenses, and I will be using different tenses to show you that how an active voice change into passive voice. So we will be starting with simple present tense. I am giving you an example. Feb provides educational services. It is in active voice and we are going to convert it into passive voice. So the sentence will be educational services are provided by Feb. It is an example of passive voice, because here the subject becomes the object and whatever the rules I have told you, it is being followed in this sentence. And one more thing that you have to keep in mind, like we will be using different helping verbs for different tenses. Okay, in the simple present tense we will be using helping verb is, am, are. Now I am going to give you an example of present continuous tense. For example, I am writing a letter. How we are going to convert it into passive voice? A letter is being written by me. Okay. Here you can see that I have used a helping verb is being. So in present continuous tense, we will be using helping verb is being or are being. And everything else remains the same, like the subject becomes the object. We place a word by, we use the third form of verb, everything else remains the same. You have to pay special attention only to helping verb. Like in simple present tense, we have used the helping verb is, am, are, and in the present continuous tense, we are using the helping verb is being or are being. I am giving you another example of present continuous tense, like if I say I am shooting a video. In the passive voice, it becomes a video is being shot by me. Going on next, I am giving you an example of present perfect tense. Like if I say I have written a letter. So if we convert it into passive voice, it becomes a letter has been written by me. So you must have noticed the helping verb has changed to has been. Okay. So in present perfect tense, we use the helping verb has been or have been to convert active voice into passive voice, and everything else remains the same. I hope it is very simple and clear to you. let me give you another example for present perfect tense. For example, I have done my work. So in the passive voice, it becomes my work has been done by me. So moving on next, if we talk about simple past, I wrote a letter. Okay, if there is a sentence, I wrote a letter, then the sentence in passive voice becomes a letter was written by me. The second example of about simple past is I bought chocolates. So the sentence in the passive voice becomes chocolates were bought by me. So beta, in past indefinite tense we use the helping verb was and were to make an active voice in past definite tense to a passive voice in past definite. Let me give you an example of past continuous tense. I was writing a letter. Okay. So the sentence in passive voice becomes a letter was being written by me. So another example for past continuous tense is I was shooting the video. The sentence in the passive voice becomes the video was being shot by me. Going on to past perfect tense, I had written a letter. So the sentence in the passive voice becomes a letter had been written by me. Let me give you another example for past perfect tense. I had shot a video. Okay. So the sentence in the passive voice becomes a video had been shot by me. Moving on to simple future tense. For example, I will write a letter. Okay. When we convert it into passive voice, it becomes a letter will be written by me. Suppose if I say we will shoot a video, then its passive voice becomes a video will be shot by us. Moving on to future perfect tense. Suppose if I say I will have written a letter, then the sentence in passive voice becomes a letter will have been written by me. And if I say I will have shot a video, then the sentence in the passive voice becomes a video will have been shot by me. Okay students, so I have deliberately skipped some of the tenses. So you have to observe what kind of tenses I have left in this video, and you have to find out that can we convert the passive form of those tenses. So students, let me give you some random examples as to how we can convert an active voice into passive voice. For example, there is an imperative sentence. If I say please open the gate, how we are going to convert it into passive voice? We use our word let for it. So the passive voice will be let the gate be opened. Let me give you some more examples. I am going to give you an example where we convert an active voice into passive voice. We don't use the word but. Like we named our daughter Riddhi. Okay. So when we convert this into passive voice, we don't use the word by. Like our daughter was named Riddhi. In this passive voice conversion, we are not going to use the word by. Some more examples. If I say you can lift this box, when we convert this into passive voice, the box can be lifted by you. One more example, like they know him. So when we convert this into passive voice, it becomes he is known to them. You have to pay proper attention to the helping verb. In what kind of tenses we are going to use what kind of helping verb. Everything else will remain the same. So beta, this is the table. You can learn this table and it will help you in converting an active voice into passive voice. Thank you, and we are going to meet in the next video with some new things.